Oh dear, it was raining cats and dogs earlier, and they say in the news this is the wettest Arizona summer that we've had in years. And it was also the driest. I don't understand that. Oh. I should call my son with my computer problems. Even though it's always me trying to edit my MySpace page. I don't have any grandkids from Paul's children. Only from my first child that I had when I got knocked up when I was 16. When my kids wake up, I tell them to wash their hands. And they say, "Why, Mom?" And I say, "You could have been digging in your butt all night."